Multiply 4x cubed y squared times 3x to the 4th y times 2x to the 5th y cubed. In order to do this, I'd like to go back and review first. Think back to x times x. Doing x times x, we know that we just change that and it becomes x squared. But what if we took that a little further? Now 3x times 9x. We still do the x times x, and the 3 times 9 gave us 27. So we have 27x squared. If I take that even further, 2x cubed times 5x squared, we would do the 2 times 5 and give us 10. X cubed times x squared, that's going to give us x to the 5th. So we have 10x to the 5th. It also works even if there are more than one variable on our monomials. 6a squared b to the 4th c can be multiplied by 2a cubed b cubed c squared by doing the same thing we've been doing. 6 times 2 is 12. A squared times a cubed, that gives us a to the 5th. B to the 4th, b cubed gives us b to the 7th. And c times c squared, remember this is really c to the 1st. So c to the 1st times c squared is going to give us c cubed. So with that, Brooke and Sophia are reminding us that multiplying monomials means we're going to multiply the coefficients, then we're going to multiply the variables. Keep in mind the product of powers property says when you multiply products together, you are adding exponents of like bases. So taking us back to this one right here, when I did a squared times a cubed, I did 2 plus 3, that's how I got a to the 5th. Same thing with my b to the 4th, b cubed to get b7. Same thing with my c to the 1st, and c squared to get c cubed. That's going to take us back to our original problem. Doing this, even though we now have 3 monomials being multiplied together, the process does not change. I multiply my coefficients together, and then I'm going to multiply my variables together. So I do 4 times 3 times 2. I'm going to do my x cubed times my x to the 4th times my x to the 5th. I'm going to do my y squared times my y cubed. Multiplying everything, 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. When I multiply my x's, I add 3 plus 4 plus 5. That's going to give me 12. And then my y's, I add my exponents. 2 plus, remember that's 1, plus 3 is going to give me 6. So my final answer is 24x to the 12th, y to the 6th.